One phone call. That's all it took for a mother in Ohio to send $6,000 to a stranger. She thought she was talking to her daughter. She wasn't. Right now, scammers are using AI to clone voices. Your voice, your kid's voice, your mom's voice, and it only takes 3 seconds of audio to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how these scams work, the warning signs almost everyone misses, and the one habit that can protect your entire family. Stick around because later I'll show you a mistake that even smart, careful people fall for. Surprises almost everyone. Point 1. The fake emergency call. Here's how it usually starts. Your phone rings. It's a number you don't know. You pick up and you hear crying. Then a voice that sounds exactly like your son or daughter. Mom, I'm in trouble. Please don't tell Dad. That voice is fake, built by AI, trained on a video your kid posted online. The scary part? These scammers only need a few seconds of audio. TikTok, a voicemail greeting, a YouTube comment with a voice note. Consequence. Families have lost $2,000, $5,000, even $15,000 in a single call. Wired straight to a stranger. Once that money's gone, it's almost impossible to get back. The fix? Set up a family code word. Something only your real family knows. If someone calls in distress, ask for the code word first. No code word, no money. Simple as that. Point 2. The Grandparent Scam. Upgraded. This one's been around for years, but AI just made it terrifying. Old version. A stranger says, "Grandma, it's me," and hopes she guesses a name. New version. The AI already knows the grandchild's name. It knows their voice. It even knows small details pulled from social media, like a pet's name or a recent trip. Here's where most people mess up. They don't hang up and call back. They panic and act fast, because that's exactly what the scammer wants. Consequence. Bail money, medical bills, lawyer fees. All fake. All wired instantly. Banks can't reverse most wire transfers once they're sent. The fix? Always hang up. Always call the person back on the number you already have saved, not the number that just called you. Point 3. The boss or CEO voice scam. This isn't just a family thing. It's hitting businesses too. An employee gets a call. It sounds exactly like their boss.
Urgentonne.
Rushed. I need you to wire this payment right now, before the deal falls through. And it gets worse. Some scammers use AI on video calls too, faking a boss's face during a quick meeting. Consequence. Companies have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars this way. And in some cases, the employee who approved the payment can face legal and job consequences. The fix? Any urgent money request, even from your boss, needs a second form of verification. A text. A separate phone call. No exceptions, no matter how real it sounds. But the biggest mistake is still coming. This next one catches even careful people off guard. Point 4. Trusting caller ID. Here's the part nobody talks about. Caller ID can be faked completely. Scammers can make it look like the call is coming from your bank, your local police station, even your own home number. You see a familiar name pop up, and your guard drops instantly. That's exactly the point. Consequence. People give out bank details, social security numbers, even one-time codes sent to their phone. That's identity theft waiting to happen. The fix? Never trust the name on the screen. If a call claims to be your bank, hang up and dial the number on the back of your card yourself. Point 5. The voicemail trap. Did you know this one? Some scammers don't even need you to answer. They call, let it ring, and record whatever your voicemail greeting says. Just hearing you say yes or hello can be enough audio to clone your voice. Consequence. That cloned voice can later be used to scam your own family members. Imagine your voice calling your mom, asking for money. The fix? Keep your voicemail greeting short. Just your name, nothing more. Skip long, chatty greetings that give scammers more audio to work with. Point 6. What insurance won't cover. Here's a hard truth. If you willingly send money because you were tricked, most banks and insurance policies won't reimburse you. Wire fraud protection usually only applies if your account was hacked, not if you were personally convinced to send the money yourself. The scary part? Many victims find this out only after they file a claim and get denied. The fix? Report the scam immediately to your bank, the FTC, and local police. Speed matters. Some transfers can be paused or reversed within the first 24 hours, but never after. Point 7. The habit that actually protects you. So what actually works? One simple rule. Slow down. Every single time. Scammers rely on panic. They want you moving fast before you can think straight. The moment you feel rushed, that's your signal to stop and verify. Would you have caught this scam? Be honest. A lot of people wouldn't. And that's okay. Now you know. If this video helped you understand how to protect your family's money, consider subscribing. I share videos like this every week, covering scams, insurance traps, and legal rights every American should know. One phone call, one rushed decision. That's sometimes all it takes to lose thousands of dollars. AI made these scams faster, smarter, and scarier than ever. But now you know the signs. Set your code word. Hang up and call back. Slow down every time. Because the best defense isn't fancy software. It's a few extra seconds of doubt. Stay safe out there.